Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig. Oh my god, it is beautiful. I will be installing this 13 by 4 30-inch loose deep wave wig from Ishow hair, and the hair holds curls so great. Like, it's fresh out the box. All I did was touch up a few of the curls after I installed it. Like, I didn't do no additional plucking, no bleaching or nothing. I just took that wig out the box and said, bah. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, keep on watching.
I don't really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I don't really wanna go, I don't really wanna stay, but I know, can we get it together? Get it together. You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me when you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I don't really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it? Yeah. And I don't wanna. I don't really wanna go. I don't really wanna stay. Don't want to stay. Get it together. Get it together. Let's get it together, babe. I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no. With the love we share, baby, it's all so rare. I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is here in me. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go. How you feel? Let me know how you feel. I don't wanna stay. Don't want to go. But you gotta let me. You gotta let me know just how you feel. Yeah, I don't wanna stay. No, no. I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go. Get it together. Come on, babe, let's get it together. I really wanna go.
There's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place for all this. Is there a reason why you're saying all this? And can we talk about it later? I've gotta right my wrongs. With you is where I belong. You've been down from the go. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. Something that I should know. All the things that you went through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice. Oh, tell me, how can I right my wrongs? There's something that I should know. All the things that we've been through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice. Oh, no. But it later.
Can't stay away, I'm all that addicted to you. 'Cause day and night I
wooks. This is the final look at the install. It came out so stinking cute. This hair is so long, like so long. And I'm only 5 feet tall, so 30 inches is really giving. I like cashing my hair to my ass. Like, that's what it's giving. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this hair. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. Mwah.